Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Creating a Python script for Raspberry Pi, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Raspberry Pi, a versatile single-board computer, is widely used for various projects ranging from home automation to robotics. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through creating a simple Python script for Raspberry Pi. We'll cover the basics of setting up your Raspberry Pi, writing a Python script, and running it to interact with the GPIO pins. Prerequisites. Step 1. Connect your Raspberry Pi. Ensure your Raspberry Pi is properly connected to a monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Power it up using the provided power supply. Step 2. Update and upgrade your system. Open a terminal on your Raspberry Pi and run the following commands to ensure your system is up to date. Step 3. Install the rpi.gpio library. The rpi.gpio library allows Python scripts to interact with the GPIO pins on the Raspberry Pi. Install it using the following command. Step 4. Write a simple Python script. Create a new Python script using your preferred text editor. In this example, we'll use the Nano editor. Add the following Python code to blink an LED connected to GPIO pin 17. Save the file, Ctrl+X, Y, enter. Step 5. Run the Python script. Execute the Python script you just created. You should see the LED connected to GPIO pin 17 blinking on and off at 1-second intervals. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully created a simple Python script for your Raspberry Pi, allowing you to control GPIO pins. This basic example can serve as a foundation for more complex projects and experiments. Explore the capabilities of Raspberry Pi and Python to build exciting applications in home automation, robotics, and beyond. ChatGPT.